Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to build 5x1 flat ground trap, 5x1 plus ground trap. So first you need to find a flat area. Mm, like this is great. This block. Okay, now this is a great area for to build 5x1 trap. So what you need is dig down 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. You can close it for sneak. And you're gonna need five 3x5 area, 5x3, 1 2 3 4 5, like 1 2 3 4 5, and break this. Now it's 3 4 5 1 2 3 5x3 area, and you're gonna see you need redstone, observer, slime block, sticky piston, redstone torch, and a repeater. Then you're gonna place like this redstone 5 block restaurant, break these 2 blocks, and place observer like this, facing down. Then close this area. Then break this 5 block, more redstone, sticky piston, sticky piston, 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 like this. Then break this block, 1, 2, put. Now come here, break these 3 blocks, redstone dust, bam, 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 break these blocks, come here, put that like any block. Place observer like this, then it should be facing down this way. Then cover this up, place a redstone torch, and break these blocks like 1 2 3 block long area. And break this, then break this 4 block. If you don't break these blocks, slime's gonna be bugged. Break these 4 blocks and break these blocks like this. Then you're gonna come and break these blocks like this. This is a great. Place redstone dust. Break 2 of these. Place repeater like this. It should be right like this. 1 2 3. Bam. No ticks on this. And dust, dust, dust. Like this. You can break this if you want. Then you need a furnace. I don't know why, but if you don't do like I'm gonna show you. First, let's put slime blocks. If like um do like this, I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be bugged like this. So you need furnace. I don't know why, but you need furnace, guys. Now, let me try with furnace. Yep, it's working. It should be like this and like this. Then you're gonna make the hole. You have to build a funnel. Now, break these like 5 blocks a little bit. 2 blocks more. That's great. Okay, that's great. Now, pressure plates. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Break this. Break this. Torch. 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 If you place this torch like this, it's not gonna work. Place like this. Rest on dust. Rest on dust. And it should look like this. Now, break 2 blocks. Stick a piston. And place white wool because wool is hard to break. Let me get stone. Stone. And close this area. Which block if you want. Any block is okay. Now, same. Break, break. Bam, 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 bam. Boom, bam. And piston. A wool. And like this, okay. and like a little deeper this time. Now do one more each of these like this. Bam, 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 bam. Now we're gonna dig like 25 or 30 blocks for the full diamond armor to die. Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 34, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 12, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30. Let me dig some more blocks. Okay, this is great. Now you can play signs if you want. I recommend that you play signs because the falling guy cannot be able to clutch. It's gonna be more harder. Oh, wait. I like this, okay. I'm gonna place this so fast. And he cannot place any. Oh, what the? Let me place this. Oh, I'm bugged. What the fuck? Let me get in the pearls. Some signs. Oh, no, we need to place like this, okay. Okay, I think this is good. There's one miss. And you're gonna place dripstone here. And make a large area. You should close this and this. And you need to hit this in here. You can hit him. And you're gonna need a ladder. And what about that? Some water buckets. We're gonna place water bucket here and ladders here. But you need to dig down like this. Wait. Okay. Now break this, break this, break this. Then we'll break. Oh, what the? We need to break the skyward. Okay, we can keep going. Okay, we seen the dirt. Going. Then we can waypoint here like ladder with full green like this. And we're gonna need some pressure plates. Then we need to disable the trap before we can pull. But if you want to pull yourself, you're gonna need like this. Then you're gonna place redstones like this. Oh wait, we can do like okay, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, this is not a problem. Okay, if you're playing multiple, you can place here a friend. You can pull, or if you're playing solo, you can do like this, and you can waypoint here like pull like this, pull this walking pull. Is this working? Yep. Okay, now pull. And your trap is ready. If you want, you can do this, but it's your choice. Like I'm placing dots like this. To understand trap, you come here and pull. The trap is done like this. Oh, wait, it's bugged, I think. Let me fix it real quick. Okay. If a guy falls, you're gonna fall like this. Like I'm gonna show you. Bam. Oh, thank you for the watching. I'm gonna load more traps. Bye.